Hey everyone! Today we're going to be talking about how to use multiple audio tracks and how easy it is to adjust and edit your music and sounds. First, let's begin by opening Timeline View using this up arrow in the bottom toolbar. Now we can see the length of our artboard over a timeline, and if you scroll down, go ahead and click this Add Music button. Here you'll be able to search from Simplified's audio library, either by mood, genre, or instrument, previewing your audio by using this play icon, and then selecting your element by clicking here. I'm going to do the same thing again, and this time I'm going to search for a specific idea. Once I've found the perfect one, I'm going to select the element again. Wonderful. Now, on your first audio track, go ahead and select these three dots and then choose Adjust. This audio track is 2 minutes long, which you can see here, but my artboard is only 7 seconds long, so the audio has automatically trimmed to fit my artboard timeline. You can see that there's this darker portion that's highlighted, which indicates which part of this track will be included in those 7 seconds. I can click and drag along the audio track and pick which portion of the track I want included. To preview which portion, you can just simply click this play button. You can come over here to this volume adjuster and adjust the intensity of the volume. And as you can see here, all of your changes are saved automatically, so you never have to worry about losing your work. Now I'm going to show you how to adjust multiple tracks on one artboard. I can use this trim button here and move my mouse either left to shorten or right to extend. Now I can click and drag my audio track to my desired place within the timeline. Once you finish making your adjustments, you can click this play button to preview your video. Multiple tracks is a simple editing trick that makes your videos seem really advanced. Thanks for watching, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Check out our other tutorials to learn more tips and tricks from Simplified. See you there.